Hey, a lot of you guys found so much value in my how to say happy birthday in Cantonese video. You guys enjoyed it so much. Today I'm going to teach you how to write happy birthday and write other birthday related phrases and words in Chinese. Hope you enjoy it. Let's roll it. Hey, welcome to the return of EZ Cantonese. Make sure you press the subscribe button. I'm going to be uploading more videos when the time comes. I know we live in a digital age, but when it comes to birthdays, sometimes we still use birthday cards. It'll be very helpful if you can write happy birthday phrases and other happy birthday idioms. So I'm going to teach you that here today. Especially with the time of COVID, sometimes you might still mail out snail mail style to your loved ones, so it'll be very helpful to know how to write these things in Chinese. It can also be very helpful when you're sending text messages these days, whether you're using Messenger, WhatsApp, Line, Kakao, WeChat, whatever it may be. So now I'm going to teach you how to write happy birthday in Chinese and the top words and phrases. Let's check it out. Alright, so we're going to be talking about the top phrases and words to write for birthday occasions, whether you want to write for birthday cards or whatever it may be. So the first one, of course, is 生日快樂. So I'm going to write that. Stroke here. 生日快樂, of course, it means happy birthday. For yet, I actually think it should be a bit more vertical. It's a little too square here in my opinion. Oops, do that again. Let me change my font size here because it's a bit thinner here. So long for this character, I argue that it should start from the middle, but some people start from the left. So if you feel I should start from the left, please leave a comment and let me know that I'm wrong. So middle first, I think anyways. And then right. And the two dots. And there you go. 生日快樂, happy birthday. So next one we have祝你, which means wishing you or wish you. So that means wishing you a happy birthday. So you might say something like 祝你生日快樂. And while we're here, make sure you guys like this video, make sure you subscribe. Let me know if you enjoyed this writing, teaching you how to write content here on EZ Cantonese. 祝你, wishing you. Alright, next one. Next one is 心想事成. Let me move it up a bit. It's a little quiet in here, eh? Maybe we should turn up some music. Should we turn up some music? Alright, let me turn up some music here. Yeah, there you go. Now it's a party. Okay, 心想事成. Two dots for 心, which is heart, of course. Oops, let me do that again. I see my cat over there. He's sleeping. 心想事成 means may all your wishes come true. All the wishes are coming from your heart. Oops. 心想事成. Last one, sing.
心想事成, so may all your wishes come true. So you can also say, write, 祝你心想事成. Next one is more for the ladies. 青春美麗. Cheng Chun means newness or freshness or youth, I guess. So do that again. Stroke here, stroke here. Cheng Chun and then 美麗. So there's actually a separate character here, and then it's big at the bottom, Bday. Lai is a bit harder, so I'm gonna enlarge this a little bit for you guys. And where's that thing? Okay, so there you go. Yeah, I prefer to teach traditional over simplified. That. Sorry, this one should be a little bit more. Here, fill it out more. Yeah, so light. Yeah, it's pretty hard, pretty difficult character. I don't. The simplified version's a lot easier, but I believe in keeping tradition. 青春美麗. So basically, keeping your youth or being more beautiful. So this is for women and whoever likes to look good, I guess. So before I do the next one, make sure I'm gonna have some links on Amazon. That's gonna maybe have some copy books, maybe some books about writing. So I hope you guys go check it out. Oops. And I'll also have a free download. Sorry, let me change back the font color for this. Free download for EZ Cantonese grid paper, so you can practice it at your own leisure. And it goes through. Let me lower the font again for this one. Alright, let me enlarge this one. This one's a bit. Okay, so sorry, going back. 身體健康. These are more for older people that might be in poor health. This is part of the Chinese New Year EZ Cantonese video that you can check out too. Oops. So basically wishing somebody better health, good health. So this is more geared towards older folks. 身體 is the body, 健康 is healthy. So this is 健. Sorry to do that again. Strokes, I believe that's how it's done. And then the boat at the very end. Sorry, I didn't highlight. Okay, sorry, messed that up a little bit. 身體健康，祝你身體健康. Another one for older folks, 長命百歲. Chang Mang means long life. Bak Sui is basically 100 100 age, 100 years old. So you're wishing someone long health or long life. Hopefully they reach all the way to 100 years old and beyond. 長命百歲 is another difficult one. And there you go. 歲 is age, so 百歲 is 100 years. 長命百歲. So yeah, if you guys know any apps or programs that involves writing calligraphy, I couldn't find it myself, so let me know, because I'm just using a Photoshop program here. Okay, the next one is 學業進步, which is wishing somebody, this is once again for another person that might be younger, children, somebody in school, wishing they have a better education, that their education improves. So once again with 學, which is school, I like to start in the middle. Some people start from the left, so I don't know, I'm not 100% sure. That... 學業, okay, then there... 學業 is like, it's kind of like school performance, I guess? School performance. 進步 is improvement. So this would be a dot. And then once again we got the boat. The boat's always the... I'm pretty sure usually the end. 進步. And I believe this is the last one. Let me fix this here. Oops. Another one for children, 快高長大. Wishing usually children that they grow up nice and tall and grow up faster. 快 is fast, 高 is tall, 長 is, well, 長大 is growing up. And this is part of one of the Chinese New Year videos that I did. Die is big. Alrighty. 快高長大. Alright, so here are some examples that you guys can actually use and write on a, say, a birthday card or a text message, a letter, whatever you want. So it goes name, 生日快樂, 祝你心想事成. So let's just say it's Bob, 生日快樂, 祝你快高長大. Jackie, 生日快樂，祝你學業進步。Sally， 生日快樂，祝你身體健康。Frank， 生日快樂，祝你長命百歲。生日快樂，祝你青春美麗。So like that. So just write each line. Don't write all this page, but like each line, basically like that. So one line for each person. Okay. So this is the EZ Cantonese Chinese writing grid. This is available to download for free. There's a Google link in the description, so hope you guys download it and you can practice writing your Chinese in the future whenever you want at your leisure. So now I'm actually gonna try to write for you. Before there were just fonts, but now I'm gonna write happy birthday to Bob here, let's just say. So unfortunately my writing's not that good, plus I don't have the calligraphy font, so it doesn't look very good. So combination of the two things makes it extra ugly, unfortunately. So Bob 生日快 just messed up there. Lot. Yeah, it's so hard to write with a mouse too. So put an exclamation point here. 祝你 So wishing you, Bob. Oops. Do that again. Some 想事成 So much easier to write in pencil. Happy birthday, and may all your wishes come true. And that's it. Bob, 生日快樂，祝你心想事成。
Alright, that's it. So hope you guys enjoyed me teaching you how to write Chinese words. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Make sure you guys check out my other videos. Make sure you leave some feedback. Give me a like and a subscribe. And if you enjoyed this type of content, leave a comment below, and hopefully I'll do more of these, okay? Alright, thank you. See you guys next time.